Are you wondering about the current economic uncertainties and how they might be impacting your investments? In the world of finance, uncertainty can lead to volatility, which in turn can influence the performance of your investments. It might seem like a game of chance, but understanding these impacts is crucial to crafting a successful investment strategy. From fluctuating market trends to unpredictable economic events, these elements can sway the value of your investments. So it's clear that these uncertainties can have a significant effect on our investments. Investing during uncertain times can be a challenge. Welcome to the roller coaster ride of investing during uncertain times. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. The risks are real, yes, but they can be managed. So let's get into it. First up, we have market volatility. This is a bit like a storm at sea. One moment, the market's as calm as a mill pond. The next, it's churning and frothy, tossing prices around like toy boats. This can be nerve-wracking, especially if you're new to investing. But remember, volatility is just part of the ride. The trick is to not let it throw you off course. Next, we have economic instability. This can be triggered by all sorts of things, from political upheavals to global pandemics. When the economy is unstable, it's hard to predict where things are headed. This makes it difficult to choose the right investments, but it's not impossible. With careful research and a bit of patience, you can still find safe harbors. And finally, there's the potential for loss. This is the big one, the risk that keeps investors up at night. When times are uncertain, the fear of losing money can be paralyzing. But here's the thing. Investing is not about avoiding loss completely. It's about managing risk. And that means being willing to take on a little bit of loss in the pursuit of gain. So how do you mitigate these risks? Well, it's all about strategy. You need to diversify your portfolio, spreading your investments across different asset classes. You need to stay informed, keeping abreast of the latest economic news and market trends. And you need to be patient, resisting the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Closing. So, while it's challenging, it's not impossible to invest safely during these uncertain times. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Uncertain times can be a great time to invest if you're prepared to navigate the risks. Stay tuned for our next scene where we'll delve into the safe investment options during uncertain times. Let's delve into some safe investment options that you can consider during these uncertain times. Firstly, diversified portfolios are a tried and tested method for mitigating risk. By spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes, sectors, and geographies, you can protect yourself from the impact of any single investment performing poorly. Diversification isn't just about owning different stocks, it's about owning different kinds of investments. That could mean a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Diversification can help smooth out the bumps on the road of your investment journey, especially during times of uncertainty. Next, let's talk about bonds. Bonds are essentially loans that you make to a government or a corporation. In return, you receive regular interest payments and your initial investment back at a set date in the future. Bonds are traditionally seen as safer than stocks, as they offer a fixed rate of return. While they may not have the high potential returns of stocks, they can provide a steady stream of income, making them a good choice for conservative investors. Lastly, we have stable dividend stocks. These are typically shares in established companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. While the stock market can be volatile, these companies have a history of stability and consistent dividend payments. Investing in them can provide you with a regular income, regardless of market conditions. But remember, no investment is completely risk-free. Even the safest options come with some level of risk. What's important is understanding these risks and managing them effectively. So, whether you're looking at diversified portfolios, bonds, or stable dividend stocks, these investment options can provide a degree of safety during turbulent times. They can help protect your wealth and potentially provide a steady stream of income, helping you weather the storm of economic uncertainty. These are just a few examples of safe investment options that can help you navigate these uncertain times. Now, let's discuss the importance of staying informed and patient when investing during uncertain times. In the world of finance, information is power. Staying up to date with financial news, market trends, and economic indicators is crucial for making informed decisions. It's like sailing a ship. The more you know about the weather, the waves, and your course, the better you can navigate through stormy waters. But it's not just about gathering information. It's about understanding it, interpreting it correctly, and applying it to your investment strategy. This requires a good grasp of financial concepts, a keen eye for detail, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Now let's talk about patience. In the face of uncertainty, it's easy to panic and make impulsive decisions. But in the investment world, panic often leads to mistakes. It's important to remember that investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You're in it for the long haul. Patience allows you to ride out market volatility and avoid knee-jerk reactions that could jeopardize your investments. It gives you the time to thoroughly analyze your options, carefully weigh the risks and rewards, and make sound decisions that align with your long-term financial goals. Staying informed and patient also helps you manage your emotions. Investing can be a roller coaster ride filled with highs and lows. But let your head guide you, not your heart. Don't let fear or greed dictate your actions. Stay calm, stay focused, and stay rational. Remember, the goal is not to predict the market, but to respond to it intelligently. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. It's not about making quick bucks, but building wealth over time. So, stay informed, stay patient. Treat investing as a continuous learning journey, not a one-time event. Be resilient, be adaptable, and most importantly, be disciplined. Maintain your investment strategy, stick to your financial plan, and keep your emotions in check. Remember, staying informed and patient are key to successful investing during these uncertain times. Let's summarize the key points we've discussed about safe investing during uncertain times. In times of economic turbulence, investments are inevitably impacted. Market volatility and economic instability become your constant companions. Your investments might fluctuate wildly, and there could be times when the economic landscape seems like a stormy sea, making the investment journey a challenging one. Yet, it's during these uncertain times that smart and strategic investing can pave the way for financial security. Navigating the investment waters during these times is not easy, but not impossible either. One of the primary challenges is the heightened risk associated with investments. But remember, this is where your investment acumen comes into play. It's about identifying the risks and managing them effectively. It's about not letting fear drive your investment decisions, but making informed choices that align with your financial goals. Safe investment options are like your lifeboats during these times. Diversified portfolios, bonds, and stable dividend stocks are some of the options that can shield your investments from the brunt of economic uncertainties. Diversification reduces risk by spreading investments across various financial instruments, sectors, and geographies. Bonds, particularly government bonds, are generally considered safe havens, and stable dividend stocks can provide a steady income stream even when the market is volatile. But the most valuable asset during uncertain times is information. Staying informed about market trends and economic indicators can help you make informed investment decisions. It's also essential to be patient and avoid impulsive decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about long-term gains, not short-term wins. So, to invest safely during uncertain times, it's crucial to understand the potential impacts, navigate the challenges, explore safe investment options, and stay informed and patient. It's about resilience, adaptability, and strategic thinking. After all, in the world of investing, it's not just about surviving the storm, but learning how to dance in the rain. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you in our other videos, each one packed with strategies to navigate the turbulent seas of investing. We invite you to dive in, learn more, and enrich your financial wisdom. And hey, don't be a stranger. Drop a comment below, share your thoughts, your experiences. Remember, your journey to financial security doesn't have to stop here. Keep exploring, stay informed, and make wise decisions. Until next time.